Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dannzy, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Boxycharm, and this is the just regular Boxycharm. Previously I did the premium, so today's going to be the regular box. So if you're interested in seeing what items I got and if I like them, then keep watching. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day and a beautiful night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video.
What are you doing?